Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up a little bit more than 0.5% today. We did have a change today on our bond signals. Finally, they've been double red for a long time, and the fast signal went to green. So we're green and red on both the stock and the bonds right now for the fast and slow signals, and really kind of reflecting what's going on. Bond market is starting to do a little bit better in this environment where the Federal Reserve is, at least a few of the members anyway, are talking about that maybe we have raised rates enough to get down to the 2%, target that they have. The market was actually up a little over 1% today when those first comments came out, and then we had another board governor talking about maybe the need to raise rates, again. And so, there's multiple board members with multiple opinions. Some are much more aggressive with wanting to raise rates, and some aren't. And so that's kind of to be expected. That's how it works. But overall, the big thing that's going to be happening this week will be the CPI number for inflation coming out on Thursday. So we'll see how that comes to play, and what happens in terms of the next meeting for the Federal Reserve is November 1st. So, but if you look at the market, it's doing really well here. It's a third up day in a row. I've said before that, a couple of good up days here, make a difference as far as that goes. And then, we got another follow through day today. I'd be a little bit surprised if we get another follow through day tomorrow. It's getting a little bit stretched. As a matter of fact, you kind of saw it today when the market was up, 1% in the morning, and it ended up 0.5% for the day. So there might be a little bit of pullback, but again, that would be pretty normal here too, and probably a bit healthy too. Just to let the market rest a little bit. We bounced off support. I felt like there was maybe some short covering today. It was kind of a strong move in the morning, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if we're getting a lot of that yet. You'll kind of know, because the market can really move hard when people start to close out all their short positions. So, but not a bad day. Really, technically things are still in place. It's really, again, about inflation. We've got all kinds of geopolitical things happening. We have things happening in Washington, and all of these things. The market's going up because of the technical portion of the market. We were too far sold. Now we're kind of coming back and bouncing back. We ran into support, those types of things. So, the technicals are playing out the way that they should, in my opinion, just by looking at it here too. So look forward to being able to see what's going to happen tomorrow. Thank you. Talk to you then.